Hello everyone, it's Idol and with my friends, and like actually new friends.
Poo-poo.
Yeah. Jesus, why did I? Oh God.
Dinosaur.
There's other people besides me now. Yay!
There's more people
Dinosaur.
besides this idiot.
Yes.
Imagine being an idiot.
Shut up, shut up. When was the last time that I posted a cringe video? Planning cringe. Okay. About 4 weeks ago. Okay. Well, planet. You know, just plan it. No, wait. Should we just do this?
Yeah.
Should we just do
Yeah,
this?
Yeah, man. Let's watch this.
I have to mute the audio because I don't want, like, Edward to have, like, eardrums bleeding.
Don't want.
What?
Wait, play the music. Play the music.
What is the music? What is the
I
drum?
wanna hear it.
Oh God, it's so horrible. Here, let's see what it is. Oh God, it's
Why
already
is there
terrible.
Pluto? Why is there Pluto there?
Where is Pluto?
Pluto's
Where do you see
asteroid.
Pluto?
The blue one.
Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Do you think Pluto is a blue?
Pluto, I don't think. I don't know.
Pluto's like a dwarf idiot.
Wait, is the one with Saturn? I forgot.
Oh my
Or is
God.
that-
Here, let me do the planets. Let me do the stupid planets for you, Buster. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Oh, Earth,
Uranus.
That's not Earth. That's hell.
Whatever. Oh God, it's already.
Wait. What if inside of the sun, like inside of it, is hell?
Maybe it is hell.
It is.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. You know what?
Wait,
Let me
let's
do
hear
my
the
research. Oh many. No, I'm gonna do the research. Many planets.
If God does exist, I'm going straight to hell.
Okay, they're right. It was 8. It was 8. Oh.
Bro, look at the sun. Bro, the sun is pissed off. He looks like he hates everything.
Oh my!
God, bro, what is up with their faces?
This is really important.
It is
Oh my
so.
God, this is making my stomach hurt.
Bro, did they close my door? My door is closed. Join us and learn about the different planets. Now we sing along and have fun.
What if I just farted in my mouth?
That would be great content. My name is Mercury. I mean, you can all see that, but why do y'all have eyelids? Why do they have eyelids? This is scary. I'm the second hottest I just got a vision.
I'm the second hottest. Oh my God, he's so cute.
He's so cute, man.
He's so cute.
Oh my God, I cannot deal with this stupid. Okay, what is?
What does he look like? A ball of turd.
Yo, okay, whatever. Wait, I think I got a planet rap. We gotta do it. No. Wait. Hold on.
Planet songs.
Planet songs. My mother's just gonna look at my history and just be like, what the hell is my child looking at? Oh God.
It's all by the same person. It's all the same thing. What the hell?
Wait. What is this? Wait, what is this? What is this? Okay, yes.
Turn on the music. I want to hear this. I want to hear this
God. I'm gonna have
dope
to.
beat. I want to hear this dope beat.
Sorry,
No,
cringe.
keep playing it. Keep playing it.
I can't. Everyone's gonna kill me. Everyone's gonna kill me.
Oh my god, this is like the... Bro, I would like listen to this while I'm taking a shower.
What do you...
Straight fire.
What do you mean? What do you mean that this is straight fire? What do you mean
That's
this is...
fire.
This... God, bro.
I would like hug the person who made those lyrics, like Tyler the creator who?
Wait, what? Kids learning tube.
Kids learning to...
Imagine naming your channel that. Wait, what's this? What's this? Let's get behind. Ew, why does he...
Oh my God,
ew.
That sun looks straight fire. No pun intended.
What do you mean that's straight fire?
Hello there.
Yo, he's
Wait,
vibing.
play the music, play the music, play the
God.
music.
I get super hot and cold.
How the hell does it sound like my uncle?
What the hell?
That's my uncle, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god. Oh god, my mom's gonna come in and just like bang the door like what the hell's going
My
on?
uncle's a ginger, so I guess he should be the orange
Wait,
one.
wait, what is Moon doing behind him? What is he thinking about?
Wait, I wanna hear the moon. I wanna hear the moon's bar.
Dan has been very
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
look
see.
at the moon. It looks like a pervert.
Yeah,
Let me try to find the moon. What does the moon? Oh god, it's so friend. Ow, oh god, that is. It's making my brain go nowhere.
I wanna hear moon. Oh, Saturn.
Oh, Jesus, help, Jesus.
Oh, he got bars, man.
Yeah, you got
That
bars.
thing goes on for 15 minutes.
Bro, imagine. Wait, okay, finally,
Oh,
we
moon,
found.
moon.
We finally found
Yeah.
something. What is?
bulb, and I'm like a mirror.
Okay. Wait, okay. What? What?
Straight garbage.
Yeah. Why does he have hands? Why?
I would never even show my kids that when I grow older.
Bro, you're just
Yeah.
probably gonna be like dead by now.
Just imagine like tucking your kid into sleep and saying, you know what, son, look at that moon. That moon is a trash thing.
Bro, imagine.
Tucking you in.
Wait, son,
Just like
Kylie,
what? What?
Can we look at your search history?
Oh God, fine.
And then you wake up with cancer because moon dust touched your body. You wake up with cancer.
Okay, search history.
Wow, your whole is messed up.
Come on, go down.
Go down. What do you mean going down? Why am I going down?
Wait, go up.
Go up.
Stop.
What?
Roblox game where you could leave disturbing notes.
Yeah.
Ain't that the one like?
Why
it's,
are there
like, your
so many
last,
sharks?
thoughts?
I don't know. Oh God. Okay. Why are we looking at my history while we're just gonna look at the cringe?
That's how you get
History.
STD.
The moon looks like he's seen some really bad stuff that he should have been seeing. God.
Okay.
Okay. What do you want me to look up?
Okay. I'm gonna share my browser history. I'm gonna
Oh my
share my
God.
browser history.
Why?
Okay, nerd.
Why are we looking at your history? We're okay.
Watch. I'm gonna show you guys my browser.
No.
We're literally looking at his history. Well, I can't see anything. I can't see two things. I only see blindness. I'm just gonna go look at the crunch. What are they doing? What is going on?
Oh my god.
Yo, where did he get that mirror?
How the hell do I get my browser history?
He looks really bothered. The moon looks. Ah! The moon is being short.
What am I even seeing? This looks disgusting.
The moon is getting clapped by the earth right now.
He's being clapped. Oh god. He's coming like way too.
The moon
He's
died.
coming.
Stop playing peekaboo with the moon.
Yo, wait, what? What is this? God, bro. Oh god. The dancing on his brain.
Are the craters on the sides of his eyes supposed to be ears? That's really disturbing. What?
Yeah, that's a little disturbing, Buster. Bro, I don't want to hear this anymore. Well, okay, let's see. Okay? Why are we looking at dinosaurs?
I feel like my parents would think I'm a disappointment if I started watching this.
Oh my god.
Yeah, my parents are probably gonna think that I'm a disappointment to them. I cannot find it anymore. I'm too lazy. Oh god. What did I even
Can we
search?
just end this? Can we just end this?
No, we only have we have like few more minutes to go. Then you're free. Planet, wait.
Where did my parents go on raising me?
Planet Gacha is the best one of all.
Oh no, not gotcha.
Yo, let me.
Oh, right there.
5.
Up.
Wait.
up,
Okay, wait. Go up.
Why did you see
That
that?
one.
It's
That one. Yeah.
That this one?
One you have. Yeah. That one has all the planets, man.
It's that really? Oh my god. Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, Venus. More like the male parts. Hey Earth.
Hey, Earth.
Will. Hey Venus.
Hey,
I need to thank you.
I need to talk to you.
What do you need?
I'm gonna talk
Okay, talk away.
away.
Bro, my eyes are getting.
Marriage, grimacing, grinding, bum bum.
Oh
Oh my god. Oh, Mars.
Oh.
Girls, I need you. Why is Mars a furry? Why is Mars a furry?
He's a bad boy.
Oh my god.
Where'd you get that life? I hate you.
Bro,
I hate you.
Even more.
I hate you even if you hate
Fine.
me. Fine.
Yeah, girl,
Yeah,
Neptune.
warm. Neptune.
Earth, BRB. Oh, God. Oh god, it's Mars. Go.
Rip onto each other at the same exact
Oh.
time. Falls over. If this ain't God, maybe I don't thank you.
So. What? Ew. What? Ew. No. No thanks.
You were about to piss.
No, I'm done.
By
I'm
the
done.
way, you
I'm
guys-
done.
that
I'm
was-
done.
that
I'm
was-
literally done.
My
I hate
brain
this.
is now ruined.
Thanks to me.
Gotcha.
My brother James. Oh god. Why was your brother in?
I used to always get A's on my tests, but now that I talk to you all the time, I get B's on my tests.
It's because of me. I made the
My
mistake.
God, bro.
Why are they all
look
flipping?
like the same rock.
Yeah.
Why are they
Why is
missing?
your anus blue?
Your anus is blue, bro.
That?
Your anus is blue, idiot.
Why? I
Wait,
thought
Uranus is blue?
Uranus?
Oh my god, are you an idiot? Your
I thought
anus. Your anus. There you go.
Uranus is red and brown. You know?
Jesus,
I
bro.
thought
You really
Uranus
messed up
was
the
pink.
Why are we still listening to this? What?
I
Mercury.
don't know.
Mercury.
Yes, we
Wait,
all see.
Play the music. Play the music.
Oh god. I'm gonna have cancer.
Oh,
I got cancer from this.
Worse than the Learning Channel.